What's the course, Maddie? The
20-minute solution to parafunction.
Thank you very much. Hi, it's Barry Oulton here from the Confident Dentist Academy, and I am delighted to say that I've teamed up again with S4S to deliver the 20-minute solution to parafunction. It's a really powerful presentation. It's going to teach you about parafunctional activity and a really brilliant, simple solution that I personally have been using myself for the last probably 13, 14 years. We're going to be at the North of England Dentistry Show on Saturday, the 28th of March. And so come and join us for the 20-minute solution to parafunction. And then we will also have a number of lucky winners that will get a complimentary SCI splint when they come to the stand for the live demonstration of how to actually make that chair side. So you get the 20-minute parafunction lecture, understanding the whys and the wherefores of parafunction and the solution to that. And then on the stand with S4S, we'll demonstrate how to do it. See you then. Bye for now.